Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you sign up for Threads. So first of all, just install Threads from your Play Store or App Store, and after installing it just go to Threads. Now in the Threads, here you can see login with Instagram. Click on it. Here you can see your name, bio and link from Instagram. You can just import it from Instagram, or you can just click the top right arrow icon. Now here you can see you can make your profile public or private by clicking these two icons. I'm making my profile public and click the bottom continue. You can follow the same accounts that you follow on Instagram, or if you want to skip it, just click the top right arrow icon. Now click the bottom join threads. And that's how you can join Threads. So guys, that's how you can sign up for Threads. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.